Hey everyone, today I'm diving into the adventurous world of geocaching while camping. Imagine combining the thrill of a treasure hunt with the serenity of the great outdoors. Pretty awesome, right? First things first, pack your essentials. You'll need a GPS device or a smartphone with a geocaching app, a good map, and of course some sturdy hiking boots. Don't forget snacks and water. You'll need your energy out there. Now here's a pro tip. Set up your camp near a cluster of geocaches. This way, you can explore different spots without straying too far from your base camp. It's like having your own little adventurer's hub. When you start your hunt, always keep an eye on your surroundings. Nature has a way of hiding things in plain sight. Check under rocks, inside tree hollows, and even behind signs. Geocaches can be sneaky. Got kids with you? Perfect. Geocaching is a fantastic way to keep them entertained and teach them about nature. Give them clues and let them lead the way. It's a real confidence booster. And speaking of clues, don't forget to read the hints on the geocaching app. They can save you a lot of time and effort. Trust me, you don't want to spend hours looking for a cache that's right under your nose. Once you find a cache, take something and leave something of equal value. It's the golden rule of geocaching. And always log your find. It's like leaving your mark in the geocaching world. So, next time you're out camping, add a dash of adventure with geocaching. It's fun, it's educational, and it'll make your trip unforgettable. Happy hunting. And remember, the real treasure is the memories you make. Catch you in the next adventure.